this is Furqan here, and today we are going to study about color statement. This is the next very important thing used in graphics after screen statement. It is used to select display colors. So color statement have three different syntaxes. Like I have listed here the syntaxes of color statement. So if you don't know about screen mode and how to change the screen mode of basic, then watch the first and second tutorial from the playlist, because you need that skills to learn the color statement. So okay, now these are the color statements for different screen modes. As you see, for screen mode 0 we have a syntax in which we can give the values of foreground, background and the border. Like this is the screen mode 0, and we have to write first color, and after that we have to give the value of foreground and then the background and then the border. So as this mode is text mode, so the color for the background is for the background of text only, not for the full screen. So let's see, this is the table for the colors. We have to use the code value of a specific color after the color statement. So the black color has a code value of 0, and then a blue has 1, and up to so on. These are all the colors up to high intensity white, which has 15 code color. So we have to give a code value after the color statement from one of these. Let's try this on IDE. So I am using PC Basic. You can use GW Basic as well. So here is the PC Basic IDE. You know very well that by default screen mode 0 is applied to the screen. Like this screen I have opened has screen 0 mode opened. So the syntax of color statement in this mode is we have to write color and then a value for foreground. So let's check it out. For the foreground color, I am using my text color to be red, so I have to use the code 4. So I'm using color and then 4. So I have to use 4. When I press the enter key, notice that the text color is changed to red. Yeah, of course my text color has been changed to red, and if I write anything, like if I write screen or if I write color, then you will see my text is written in the red color. So you can use any of these colors for the foreground, any of the 16 colors I have listed in my table. But I have also listed here that your foreground color can be in the range of 0 to 31, but we have color codes up to 15. So what will the remaining 16 colors can do for us? Let's check it out. Let's try to write color, and then we use 19 as for our foreground code value. So what will happen? As you see, my text color has been changed to cyan. This color is cyan color. Yeah, this is. So what is the difference? We have seen that our text is blinking. So if I have to give a blinking version of the color, we have to add 16 to our code value of a specific color code value. Let's say if I have to use a light blue color for my foreground and I have to use a blinking version of light blue, then what we have to do, we have to add 16 into this code value. So 16 plus 9, we have to use 25 for this. So if I write color 25 and then press enter key, then you will see my text color is blue and it is the blinking version of blue. So yeah, we can use blinking version of the text color for the foreground as well. Up next, let's check out how to change the background color of text. So to change the background color of text, let me do it the default colors. I have to do it white color. Yeah, so let's change the background color of our text. To do this, we have to write, of course, color and then color and then foreground value. Let's say we use light blue foreground text color. Its code is 9, and then after that you have to write a comma, and after that you have to write a code value for the background color. So I am using light blue as my foreground color and dark blue for my background color. Its code is 1. So I am writing color 9,1, and when I press enter key, you will notice that my foreground text color is changed to light blue and my background text color is changed to blue. If I write anything like color or screen, then it is written in the specific format I have written on the top. So you can change your background as well as foreground. Keep in mind that this background color is limited to the background of the text only, not for the full screen. So you can't change the full screen color in screen mode 0, because this is the text mode only. So if you have to change the whole screen color, then you have to use any of the graphical modes like medium resolution graphic mode or high resolution graphic mode. We will cover it later. So the next thing we are going to do is we have to change the border of the screen as well. Like we can change the border color of this whole screen in this mode as well. So to do this, we have to write again color statement. Color statement, and then a specific foreground value. Let's say we use red color for foreground and yellow color for the background. It's 14, and after that again you have to write a comma and then a border value. So a border can be of any of these colors. So if I use border color like white, so I have to write comma 7. So when I press enter key after writing this statement, then what will happen? You will see my foreground color is changed to red and my background color is changed to yellow, and my whole screen border is changed to white. So you can change the border of screen mode 0 as well. So this is it for this tutorial, and up next we will discuss color statement with the remaining screen modes. We have discussed only with screen mode 0. Stay tuned for my next video and don't forget to subscribe Leo tutorials.